बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पैसेज नंबर 7 लीगल पैसेज रिकॉर्ड बाय सदाम चौधरी, बाबा फरीद, शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग भावनगर। Learned senior counsel while referring to the judgment in the case of Ali Akbar versus Central Bureau of Investigation and relied on other judgments in support of his case. Full stop. Learned senior counsel Ali Ahmed Lal Das appearing for the appellant in criminal appeal filed by the sister of the injured, has made the following submissions: having regard to negligence and violation of conditions of license, made against the appellants accused number 2 and 4, no case is made out to quash the proceedings. Full stop. The appellants accused, being the managing director and the general manager of the company, cannot escape their responsibility for their negligence and other in charge persons of the hotel, which resulted in an unfortunate incident in which the brother of the appellant has suffered grievous hurt. Full stop. There are absolutely no grounds to interfere with the impugned order passed by the High Court. Full stop. At the same time, the High Court has committed error in issuing directions in cryptic and unreasoned manner, in granting exemption for personal appearance of the accused. Full stop. The exemption for personal appearance, appearing in person, is a matter to be considered under section 205 and or section 317 of by the concerned magistrate. Full stop. New para. Learned counsel has placed various decisions of this court wherein scope of section 482 CRPC is considered. Full stop. Learned counsel also relied on in support of his case, in the case of state of his case, in the case of TGN state of, and also the judgment in the case of Ali state of Rajasthan. Full stop. We have considered the detailed submissions, arguments advanced by the learned counsel on both the sides and also perused order and other materials placed on record. Full stop. New para. We have perused the impugned order passed by the High Court. Full stop. The High Court has referred to the contention in detail and has arrived at the conclusion that it is not a fit case to quash the proceedings. Full stop. The High Court has mainly relied on the judgment of this court in the case of Suhail Ali versus State through CBI. Full stop. Having regard to the order which we propose to pass, we feel it is not desirable to record findings in detail, except to the extent required for the disposal of these appeals. Full stop. As much as these appeals are filed against the order passed on application for quashing the proceedings, under section 482 of CRPC, any findings on various contention issues will prejudice the case of parties during the trial. Full stop.